bestie, meron tayong pag-uusapan ngayon. Balita ko, gusto mo nang mag-heal. Gusto mo na maging masaya. Gusto mo na maging abundant ang buhay. Hi, bestie! If you're new here, I'm Fairy God May. Okay. So, first things first, you didn't click in this video nang walang dahilan. And I really think you click in this video because your intuition, your gut feeling, pulled you in this video. I'm not even in control of any algorithm dito sa YouTube. YouTube! Alam mo, bestie, meron tayong pag-uusapan ngayon. Balita ko, gusto mo nang mag-heal. Gusto mo na maging masaya. And, alam mo, hindi ka mag-stay sa gusto mo lang. Mangyayari yan. Gagawin natin yan, okay? Hindi ka mag-stay sa potential lang. Because you are not just a potential. You are going to do something, honey. Yeah, period! Our topic for today's video, baliktad ba siya pagka ganyan? Or how to have a happy life? Check ko nga, wait lang. Baliktad siya. So, kayo na lang mag-adjust. How to have a happy life. First, bakit mo ba gustong magkaroon ng masayang buhay? Bakit mo gustong mabuhay na puno na lang ng kasiyahan, ng kaligayahan, ng makulay, ng masaya? Bakit? You need to have your why. You need to have your why. Kailangan mong alamin kung bakit. You need to have it. Kasi, every time na magiging malungkot ka, every time na mararamdaman mo na naman na eto na naman yung kalungkutan, pumapasok na naman. Kasi hindi naman araw-araw, di ba, masaya. Walang buhay na ganun. Walang buhay na araw-araw, nafe-feel mong masaya yung puso mo. So, every time na kumakatok na naman si kalungkutan, nade-depress ka na naman, you need to remind yourself with those 3 letters. W-H-Y. Gusto ko na kumuha ka ng papel at ng pencil, ballpen, or kahit ano, isulat mo doon 5 reasons kung bakit. Kung bakit gusto mong mabuhay ng masaya. Yun lang. Ganun lang kadali. For me, bestie, I wrote sa journal ko. Wait lang, pakita ko sa inyo yung journal ko. I have here my journal. Yan. I wrote here in my journal na I have 5 reasons kung bakit gusto kong maging masaya. First one, YOLO. You only live once. Diba? Sobrang cliche, sobrang lagi mo naririnig, pero it is a cliche for a reason. Kasi, YOLO naman talaga. Isang beses ka lang mabubuhay, at bakit hindi mo piliing maging masaya? Second, ayokong pumangit yung itsura ko kasi when you are sad, when you are vibrating in low energy, yung physical itsura mo, nagiging pangit. Legit yun. Hindi mo kasi inaalagaan yung sarili mo pagka malungkot ka lagi or pagka yung lagi kang iisip ng negative kasi nag-radiate yun, nagmamanifest yun. Kung ano yung nasa utak mo, magmamanifest yun sa itsura mo outside, externally, di ba? So, pangatlo is, gusto ko mag-share ng good vibes sa mga nakapaligid sa akin, sa family ko, sa friends ko, sa sarili ko. I wanna have good vibration, good energy. Pang-apat is gusto kong magkaroon ng masayang soul. Gusto kong maging successful yung soul ko, yung nasa loob ko. Hindi lang yung nasa labas, kung hindi yung nasa loob din. Gusto kong ma-feel niya na, kasi ang soul natin, guys, nagre-reincarnate yan. 'Di ba? Gusto kong ma-feel ng soul ko na I'm a happy person. Oh my God, nagkakaroon ng goosebumps ngayon. Gusto kong ma-feel ng soul ko na I'm a happy person. And gusto ko rin yung soul ko maka-give din sa ibang tao ng happiness. Like itong video na to, kaya ako nag-film ng ganito. is for you guys, for your soul to feel happiness. Kasi you deserve it, bestie. You deserve it. You deserve to be happy, to smile again, and to feel life. Life is so good when you are happy. And lastly, bestie, is I am just so grateful. Grateful that God gave me this. That is my why. Ingin ng aso namin. That is my why. I'm just so grateful. And hindi ko iti-take for granted tong buhay na to. Hindi ko iti-take for granted itong buhay na to na binigay ni God, na binigay ni universe, ng higher power, whatever you believe in, just for nothing. No. I want to be grateful, and that is my why. Those are just my whys, and you can have your own whys. Just list it, 5 whys in your paper. Every time you are sad, this is so effective, guys. Listen up. This is so effective. Every time na nalulungkot ka, just look at it again, reflect back, basahin mo, and you will feel a spark of joy inside. Second, how to have a happy life is wanting nothing gives you everything. Sorry guys, nababasa nyo ba? Next video I will improve. Wanting nothing gives you everything. You may be wondering, Fairy God, may pinagsasabi mo dyan, girl. Bago nyo ako ganyanin, eto muna, let me explain it. Wanting nothing gives you everything. Kasi, kung lagi kang may gusto, kung anong meron ka ngayon, hindi mo to napapansin eh. Kasi you focus on this. You pour your energy in this. Sa gusto mo. Sa wala ka. Sa wala ka. Hinahabol mo to. You chase for this. Pero itong meron ka dito, hindi mo na nakikita kasi dito ka lang nakatingin. Kita mo ba yan? Siyempre, hindi mo kita kasi hindi mo tinitingnan eh. That is why, wanting nothing gives you everything. In short, nagiging appreciative ka sa kung anong meron ka. Nagiging contented ka sa kung anong meron ka. Hindi ko sinasabi na magstay ka na lang kung anong meron ka dyan, kung ano yan. I know you are very ambitious, bestie. Hindi ka makiklik sa video na to kung wala kang pangarap sa buhay. Kasi gusto mo maging masaya. That is your first dream. And so, wanting nothing gives you everything. Like, for instance, in myself. Okay guys, I will share. Alam niyo ba na ako ay self-supporting student and gusto kong maging sobrang successful agad. Minamadali ko lahat. Bina-burnout ko yung sarili ko. Pag-hustle-hustle, ganyan-ganyan. Pag ninegosyo, gawa ng negosyo. Hindi ko nakikita kung ano yung meron ako. Kasi, hinahabol ko yung gusto kong magkaroon ng bagong negosyo. Hindi ko nakikita na meron pala akong content creation, meron akong cake making, meron akong income sa content creation ko. And also, ayun, parang hindi ako nagiging kontento sa kung anong meron ako. I keep on chasing. I keep on chasing. Hindi dapat ganun ang buhay. Dapat you attract it. Dapat you attract whatever is for you. You don't chase it. It's giving desperate energy. And hindi tayo desperado sa buhay na to. Okay? Kahit sa love life, kahit sa pera, kahit sa trabaho, sa kung ano man ng gusto mo, desperation, no, honey. You let it come to you. You let it come to you. Okay, guys, this is the last one. Gratitude. Gratitude is everything. It is everything. Alam nyo, kung gusto nyo maging masaya, you learn how to, my God, bestie, I'm having goosebumps! Kasi it's really time for you to appreciate what you have in life. You know, it's not you're settling for less. Honey, you know it when you are settling for less. Iba yon. Iba yung settling for less, iba din yung nagiging grateful ka sa kung anong meron ka. Alam nyo, this is so effective. Hindi ko nga akalain na magiging ganito ka-effective tong gratitude eh. Na tuwing matutulog ako, sabihin ko, like bumubulong ako. I pray to anyone, to anything, kay God, kay universe, or kung sino man ang nakikinig, higher power. I just pray, thank you for this life, thank you for this bed, thank you for this opportunity, thank you for everything you gave me, thank you so much for everything. Thank you. Just feel it, really. Say it, thank you. You're thanking life, it is. You're just thinking. Thank you for everything. Gratitude. A simple word, gratitude, it makes you a happy person. It makes you appreciate what you have in life. Kasi yun na yung nagkukulang sa'yo eh. Masyado kang, hindi ka nakaka-appreciate ng kung anong meron ka. Tingin mo, magiging masaya ka pag ganun? Hindi. Never. Bestie, even the small things, try every day. Train your mind. Let it absorb that gratitude mindset. Kasi kung nasanay ka na hindi ka nagte-thank you sa mga bagay-bagay, magiging awkward talaga. I've been there. Ganun ako dati, nahihiya ako mag-thank you. Kunwari, may nagbigay sa akin ng ganito, nahihiya ako mag-thank you. Pero, that's so dumb. You know? Kasi, pagka pinaramdam mo sa tao, ito yung practice ko, pinaramdam ko sa tao na na-appreciate ko yung binigay niya sa akin. And then, mararamdaman niya na masarap yung ginawa niya. Kasi nag-thank you ako. You know? Saying thank you is the first thing to be grateful in life. Saying thank you sa nanay mo, sa kuya mo, sa friend mo, o kung kanino man, random person na tumulong sa'yo. And by that small practice, alam mo bestie, it will really help you a lot. I'm so excited for you! Really, like sobrang excited ko para sa'yo na you're gonna enter this life with gratitude mindset and happy life. Kasi, pag nagsimula kang makita kung ano yung mga meron ka, magiging masaya ka na talaga. And, yeah, I pour my heart in this video. And I know, medyo mahaba na tong video na to at ayoko na siya masyadong pahabain. Siguro next vlogs na ako maghahaba-haba ng content. And if you're new in my channel, hello! This is Fairy God May. And I promise to post consistently in this YouTube. I know, I'm not consistent and I'm guilty of it. And yeah, gusto ko, wala akong paki sa views actually. Wala akong paki sa views, wala akong paki sa subscribers, wala akong paki sa monetization. I just care to help and to inspire. Kasi ang buhay ko rin noon ay malungkot, so dim. Ang buhay ko rin noon ay puno ng stress, puno ng kalungkutan, and sobrang dilim. And I just want to use this platform, this YouTube, to help people. To help people find happiness in life. Kasi guys, yung kalungkutan na yan, it can shift instantly. Ganun kabilis. Oh my God, bestie, I'm having goosebumps! Oh my God, spirit! This video, make this. Papanood mo to sa mga kailangan makapanood. Sinasabi ko sa'yo, nanggigigil ako sa'yo eh. Ayan, bestie. So, hanggang dito na lang tong video na to. And I really hope that I help you. And sana may natutunan ka. At, yeah. Happy life. Happy going. Stay kind. Spread the love and kindness because you deserve to shine. Bye! Love you.